How to check if a heart murmur is innocent. A baby heart doctor, or paediatric cardiologist, will examine the baby, child or young person and perform a detailed heart scan. This is called an echocardiogram. This test uses ultrasound or sound waves to look at how the heart is working. The test does not use any radiation, and it can be done usually in about 20 to 30 minutes. Depending on what the cardiologist finds, they might order other tests, like a chest X-ray or an electrocardiogram or ECG. They may fit a heart rhythm monitor.